Make a great choice today with the 2020 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fourth passenger door, front wheel drive, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.